Andy here. Welcome to a new series. I'm gonna build my own turntables from scratch. I'm gonna use C++ and raylib, just the prototype, and then I'm gonna build the hardware afterwards. The reason I'm doing this, I'll explain in another video. So this is what I started with, just a basic idea, concept. Then I started painting, programming. It all came along pretty quickly because I got a lot of experience with art, and animation, and video game programming. I like to make video games, so I got to reuse a lot of code and a lot of art assets and stuff that I already made, so that saved a lot of time. But anyway, here's where we are right now. Alright, so I'm going to build the project and the code real quick. So hold on a second. Wow. Okay, so there's no sound yet because I have to write the audio code. But the audio code's going to depend on the spinning of this record here. And the inertia is going to drive the playback. So once I get that going, we'll actually get to hear some tracks and scratch on it, but just not yet. But what we do have right now is we got the play button, starts the motor, how you think. Reverse, it's like a toggle, shuts off the play button, starts reversing. It's a bit of an improvement in my opinion over existing turntable designs, because a lot of the times reverse can be kind of finicky on some of them. It's not the biggest deal, but I think this is kind of nice. And you can grab the record, you can stop it, reverse, stop it, you know what I mean? I'm going to do some slip map modeling and some stuff where you can kind of thumb the plate to slow it down. And we got some artwork I just threw in there from stuff I've done in the past, just to get some, cool artwork and designs on there, just to get a feel for like what it's going to look like eventually. And yeah, so there's that. These numbers here at the top, just these first two digits are the seconds. This is just a data type. It's like double floating point or whatever, but I'm gonna actually set that up to model like real time, so it'll look how you'd expect it to look on playback. The artist name, this is just a mock-up, but that'll show the actual track name once I link it in with audio. We got the tempo control, which doesn't do anything to the speed of the record right now, and has a bit of lag, but I can fix that. I already know where that's coming from. As you can see, some of the elements don't quite link up, but I just kind of threw this together just to get it going. I didn't expect to get this far this fast. And we got real-time shadows, aka semi-transparent black rectangle. And we got brake adjust. This doesn't work yet, but this is going to control the stop and start. There's acceleration on start and then deceleration on stop. Once you actually, cut the power to the record. There's no power switch, but I'm going to do something cool with the play and reverse to kind of model that. And there's a story behind this popping icon, which I'll tell you after. We got our heat sink, which doesn't do anything. It's just some graphics, just for fun. The icon thing, though, I can eventually kind of bind this in. I have some cool ideas about how to link the artwork with the tracks without having to use some fucked up like metadata kind of thing, so it'll be like dirt simple, and then I can just play the track and import the artwork associated with it. Not that I really care though. Maybe I'll just keep icons kind of abstract, just so I can get the look I want. In the next episode I'm gonna do some crazy shit though, so stay tuned. And we got a 1-button kill switch. Unload all the memory, back to the system. It's like it never happened. At the end, it's gonna feel a bit like this. You know what I'm saying? So you remember what I was talking about earlier with this paw print icon? Where I'll tell you the story. This is from the criminal record. No, I'm just joking. This is my cat's paw. Jojo. They passed from this world recently, but at the animal hospital, I got the paw prints. And then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use them somehow to honor the fallen. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.